I work on communication security equipment.
Exchange ideas, to trade information. Communicating is speaking and being heard. Reading, writing. Information flows from person to person or around the world. Communicating is a part of life. It is sharing. Today, technology extends this world until the smallest sound can be amplified, transmitted, and heard thousands of miles away.
Field radio, multi-channel communications repairman.
I work on dial telephone systems.
I'm a central office repair person, and I work on telephones and switchboards.
There is no more vital part of today's world than communications. We communicate to exchange ideas, to trade information. Communicating is speaking and being heard. Reading, writing. Information flows from person to person or around the world. Communicating is a part of life. It is sharing. It is a part. Today, technology extends this world until the smallest sound can be amplified, transmitted, and heard thousands of miles away. In the United States Army, communications means opportunities without limit, and these opportunities are available to anyone who can qualify. You may choose schooling in any one of the many challenging specialties that make up Army communication.
Telephone switchboard operator. Satellite communication ground station equipment repairman.
Data communication switching center specialist.
Avionics communications equipment repairman.
Field radio, multi-channel communications repairman.
I work on dial telephone systems.
I'm a central office repair person, and I work on telephones and switchboards.
Whatever specialty you choose requires commitment, involvement, and dedication. For you must master the use and maintenance of the finest communication and electronic equipment ever designed. Others will be depending on you, perhaps with their lives.
If lost communications or if during final you receive no transmission for 5 seconds from ground control, turn left to 060, climb 4000 to River Vortac. Over.
Roger.
You are approaching the glide slope. Hawk 84 is on course.
As a DCA repairman, you'll be called upon to stand by in a maintenance posture to repair this equipment at all times. And the immediacy of repair rests right on your shoulders. You have to be able to react and respond to a moment's notice.
600 feet per minute.
84, roger.
Turn left to 160. Hawk 84, you are on course, on glide slope. Hawk 84 is on course. Wait 1.
I lost my suite.
Let's go, we lost our suite. I think it's on the RT now.
Hawk 84, this is approach control. We have a malfunction in the GCA. Suggest you execute missed approach procedures at this time, over.
Hawk 84, roger. I'm out of 2 for 4,000, over.
As a repairman, in a tactical situation, you have to repair the equipment as fast as possible.
Check the fuse indicators.
And you are the ones that are responsible for doing it.
Now, that guy's still up there. We gotta get this thing right.
That's got it.
Lay it up.
Hawk 84, this is ground control approach. We are now operational. You may proceed. Over. Hawk 8-4, you are over the landing lights. You are over the landing area.
This is Nighthawk 8-4, roger, sir, and I certainly do appreciate the excellent handling. Y'all have a good day.
One of the most widely used pieces of avionics equipment in the UH-1 helicopter is the C-1611. Intercommunication.
Your job in Army communications will not be easy to learn, but you will learn from the best teachers, on the best equipment, and you'll work side by side with people like you.
Which one they want to listen or talk on.
I'm a ground control radar repairman.
I'm an avionic radar repairman.
I work on communication security equipment.
Avionics navigation equipment repairman.
Avionics mechanic.
I fix tactical communication security equipment. Telecommunications center specialist. I repair fixed encryption and decryption devices.
I'm a multi-channel communication equipment repairman.
I'm a dial telephone systems repairman.
And I'm a manual telephone switchboard repairman.
I'm a field lineman and a telephone installer.
Please. Conference call for 300-305-310.
Are you finished?
Yes, ma'am. I think you have to number. Emergency call 420.
So there is a world of words, coded sounds, cables, wires, radar screens, a world called communications. It's a world of jobs like radio operator, telephone installer and lineman, radio teletype operator, multi-channel communications equipment operator. It's a world of people, too. People who have recognized the importance of what must be done. Professionals who perform with skill and dedication. Join them. There's a place for you in Army Communications.